Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add cooking oil. Add sliced onions. Continue cooking on low to medium flame until onions turn golden brown. Add green chilies. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add tomatoes. Mix well and continue cooking. Add coriander. Add cumin. Mix well and continue cooking. Remove contents from the vessel and set aside. Add cooking oil. Add mutton or chicken. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Add dried red chilies. Add bay leaves. Add whole spices. Mix well and continue cooking. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add cumin powder. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add water. Cover and simmer. Pour in a mixer. Blend and make paste. Pour paste in a pot. Mix well and continue cooking. Cover and simmer. Add hot spice mix or garam masala powder. Mix all the contents softly. Cover and simmer. Delicious mutton curry is ready to be enjoyed. It can be served with rice, roti, or paratha. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.